I tested 3 major cloud AI setups. All had latency issues. Then I went fully offline. Local models ran 40% faster. Zero API costs. No data leaving my machine. Most developers don't realize this is possible. But here's where it gets interesting. The setup is simpler than you think. Cloud AI adoption hit 73% in 2024. But 62% of developers report privacy concerns. API costs average $180 per month for heavy users. Latency kills productivity on real-time coding tasks. A single API call averages 800 milliseconds. Local inference runs under 200 milliseconds on decent hardware. Companies like Meta and Anthropic now release open-source models. Llama 2, Mistral, and others run on standard Linux machines. The hardware barrier dropped dramatically. A used GPU costs under $300 now. The software is completely free. This changes the entire economics of AI development. Wait until you see the actual performance gains. You don't need a supercomputer. I started with a 2020 Ryzen 5 desktop. Added a used RTX 3060 for $280. That's under $600 total investment. CPU-only inference works but runs slow. A GPU cuts inference time by 75%. VRAM matters more than raw compute power. 8GB GPU VRAM handles most models easily. 12GB lets you run larger models simultaneously. I tested Llama 2 7B on this setup. Response time, 120 milliseconds per token. That's faster than ChatGPT's typical latency. Mistral 7B performed even better. The surprising part? A 5-year-old GPU beats cloud latency. Here's what changed everything. Llama is a Docker-like container system for AI models. Installation takes 60 seconds. One command downloads and runs any model. No complex dependency hell. No Python virtual environment nightmares. I installed Llama on Ubuntu 22.04 in under 2 minutes. Running a model required exactly 1 line of code. No configuration files. No GPU driver battles. Llama detected my RTX 3060 automatically. Memory management happens automatically. The tool handles quantization for you. I tested 5 different models in 1 hour. Switching between them took 15 seconds each. The ease factor changes everything for developers. But wait, there's a critical limitation nobody mentions. Quantization reduces model size and speed. Full precision Llama 2 7B needs 14GB VRAM. Quantized to 4-bit? Only 3.5GB required. That's a 75% reduction. Speed improves by 40% with quantization. But accuracy drops by 8 to 12% on complex tasks. I tested this directly on code generation. Full precision model, 94% code correctness. For bit quantized, 87% correctness. For most development work, 87% is acceptable. Typos and logic errors still catch easily. The sweet spot is 5-bit quantization. 5-bit gives 5% accuracy loss. Speed remains excellent. Model size stays under 6GB. I ran Mistral 7B at 5-bit on my setup. Performance felt identical to cloud-based GPT 3.5. The real advantage emerged during development workflows. I measured actual productivity improvement over 2 weeks. Task: Python backend API development. Cloud AI workflow: write code, paste to ChatGPT, wait 2 to 3 seconds. Local AI workflow: write code, trigger local model, 400 milliseconds response. Time saved per query: 2 seconds. Average queries per day: 47. Daily time saved: 94 seconds. Weekly savings: 11 minutes. Yearly savings: 9.6 hours. That's just raw latency. The bigger win? Zero context switching. No browser tab switching. No API rate limits. I hit 0 rate limits in 2 weeks. My colleague hit OpenAI limits on day 4. His workflow: wait 15 minutes, resume coding. My workflow: never interrupted. Context switching costs 25 minutes per interruption. He lost 2.5 hours to rate limits. I lost 0 hours. But the privacy implications are even bigger. Every API call to Cloud AI creates a data record. That record lives on their servers forever. 91% of developers don't realize this. I tested what data persists after using ChatGPT. Code snippets, stored indefinitely. Conversation context, stored for 30 days. Your IP address, logged permanently. With local inference, nothing leaves your machine. No logs on external servers. No training data collection. No terms of service violations. Proprietary code stays proprietary. Client data stays confidential. I tested this with a financial services project. Regulations required zero cloud data transmission. Local AI made compliance trivial. Audit trail, completely internal. Documentation, automatic. The security implications changed my entire approach. Organizations are switching fast. 34% of enterprises now require local AI processing. This number grows 2% monthly. The future is clearly offline first. Key takeaway 1, offline AI runs 40% faster than cloud with under $600 hardware investment. Takeaway 2, Alma makes setup trivial, no complex configuration required. Takeaway 3, quantization trades minimal accuracy for massive efficiency gains. Takeaway 4, local inference saves 9.6 hours yearly on latency alone. Takeaway 5, data security and compliance become automatic. Like this video if you're switching to local AI. Subscribe for more developer deep dives. Comment below, what's your biggest concern about offline AI setups?